Refractive index of block glass. The aim of this practical is to find the refractive index of block glass using pins. The apparatures needed are block glass, pins and regiform. Let's see the procedures. The block glass is now placed on the paper that is placed in a regiform. The outline of glass is drawn. At a point, we have to draw a normal, and to demonstrate the incident ray, two pins P1 and P2 are placed here. Then looking through the opposite side, another two pins P3 and P4 must be placed according to coincide in a straight line. Then, after removing the block glass, both lines will be drawn. Then the incident angle I and reflected angle R have to be measured. Like that, different incident angles and reflected angles are measured, and they have to be stated in a table.